Venom the boss in the building. Yeah, I'm doing this shit. 100 fam, what's up? I see you. Twisted Genius, I see you. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. We gotta turn the fuck up. Y'all wanna hear me? Y'all wanna see me? Can you see me now? See. Look. I'ma ride for my niggas. I might die for some niggas, but not all. I swear I got my walls up. Now I got my balls up, and I ain't even got none. But I'm walking with a limp, and I'm walking with a dip, and this shit is just for fun. I'm doing what I do, and it's real shit. Let you know you get killed, bitch. You talking out the side of your neck like you won't get lit real quick. Shit, I'm a khaki bitch. Bitch, I'm a stocky bitch. I got these bars for days, and you can't stop me, bitch. This is the realest shit that I've ever said. And if you come at me wrong, I put a price up on your head. 2 sneezes and you're dead, and it's straight like that. And I don't give a fuck about you, bitch. I swear I clap back, and it's more fatty than the bank, and you can see my picture. Let you know you get the picture, and I'm not really fucking with you. Why? Cause you's a bitch nigga, and I'm a rich nigga. I'm richer by the second, so guess what? I'm coming bigger. I want the bigger thoughts, and I like the bigger box, and then I like that bigger shit that give me a bigger walk. I'm talking fatty for sure, letting you know. And I'm coming in this bitch, 100 families in the dope, bitch. And I'ma ride for my niggas, ayy. And I'ma die for some niggas, ayy. But if you don't die for me, it'll be a tragedy. That I'm coming at you raw with these bars, you can't handle me, nigga. Venom in the building, bitch. Fuck with me.